How do I keep missing the button? Hello, everybody. How's it going? Another chaotic morning for me. While this countdown you see in the bottom right was going down, I was trying to make the YouTube thumbnail. um, I forgot to fill my bottle. I'm just gonna get full from the tap here, I think. Yeah, I had some problem with the thumbnail because I forgot to or not forgot. I accidentally deleted yesterday's. Well, not accidentally. I purposely deleted it. Don't know why. So yeah, I had to start fresh with a thumbnail. I couldn't just like edit the last one. But yeah. Okay, I got everything open that I need to have open. So I can switch it over. You can actually see what oh, I pressed the wrong button. Okay, wait, let's try it again. Let's try a nice fade. There we go. That's more like it. So you can actually see I was standing here to make the thumbnail. So what were we doing yesterday? Yesterday we finished off the peach animations, which means today we need to go do the cantaloupe animations. Yippee! Yeah. At least it wasn't as chaotic as yesterday. Me trying to get the stream open. There's still a few issues though. I'm just gonna check it's okay here on my phone. Um. Okay, let's see. How do we do this? Yeah. Okay, I think we're good to go. Thumbnail looks fine. Actually, I think I got it pretty spot on from yesterday's. Not terrible. Okay, I think we're good. We are good to go. Right, should we just get cracking with the cantaloupes? I think so. Also need to remember to actually conserve my energy this time. Yesterday I started falling apart 2.5 hours into the stream. I'm gonna switch out my chair. I think I prefer the other one. The one I'm using is new. It's an office chair, very formal, but it's not the most comfortable for what I'm doing, which is sitting. I don't know what else am I doing. There we go. Oh yes, it's better. Other one had no like cushioning either. I don't know. Oh yeah, I prefer this a lot more. Okay, so cantaloupe animations. Everything's fine on stream. Yep. Audio levels. So I checked out yesterday's stream. I don't have much time actually. To check it out, but my mic kinda goes quiet and loud. So while I'm talking, so I am gonna get a different mic. I don't know if I'm gonna get a new mic. I don't know if I'm ready for that step just yet. But yeah, I don't think there's much I can do about it right now. Okay, but cantaloupe. Let's just make sure everything from yesterday is not broken. Yes, I forgot to ask for any music suggestions yesterday. Sorry about that. On the server, I mean, the Discord server, which you can join. Check the links in bio. It is for it's the Viva, our Viva Discord server. Okay, let's grab a strawberry. 1, 2, done. Yeah, I'm gonna have to exit play mode every time. Okay, Peach, you're up next. Whoa, very loud sound downstairs. Whoa, can you guys hear that? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's working fine. Very good. Now, it is also calculating the accuracy down here. My gosh, my accuracy sucks. Good. Well, I wasn't watching, so. Okay, cancel the animation first, then we can sort out the whole UI parts. That would be fun to do, I think. Okay, so where are we? We are gonna go house, group cut minigame, and yeah, cancel loops. Oh boy, this is gonna make it rough. Excuse me. Okay, so let's see. I kind of have to get back into the thinking of everything. Okay. So the first one doesn't need an animation, I'm pretty sure. Let's go to the animator. Yeah, only the numbers need. So I'm gonna need to start off with cancel the cut 18 all the way. So I gotta make 19 animations right now. Oh god, this is gonna take a while. Let's click into. Why are all these things open? Go away. Here. Then we need a new clip finally, starting with the cantaloupe. Cantaloupe 18. I did get claimed yesterday by not any of the songs. It said one of the songs I had in my stream yesterday was using the lyrics or melody of another song. I guess, bro. I guess. I think I'm getting cold. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so I don't need you. I'm gonna try not to say any words that YouTube won't like today. This is anything but, you know, family friendly. I guess I could make it family friendly. Fine, yeah, bring your kids. Um, bum, 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 bum. Okay, so this guy should have 2 halves. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna need to rotate though. Probably by 45 degrees again. Let's see. Okay, so 45. Yeah. Is that right? Nope, other way around. No, I'm just gonna do this. Oh yeah, I can see the cut. Right, just like that. I wonder how the cutting animations are gonna look for this big guy. I guess we'll see. Okay, now first and second half, chop down the middle, and it's the same with the peach. It's literally the same thing except more cuts. So that's gonna be fun. Right. So first cut made. Push this one on the right. Wait, which side gets chopped up first? The left side gets chopped up. Okay. Then we want the right side to go there in the corner. So cut cantaloupe 18 and start recording. And I think we can just get started. Wait, we need to move this to 30. And then we're gonna want 10 frames where it just moves. I'm gonna switch this to global just to make it a little easier on me. Right there. Oh wait, we want to probably hide you. Okay. To the side. Oh, what happened here? Go to 30. There we go. Oh, I see what's happening. I need to stop recording, then deactivate that. Okay. Okay, now is just go to 75. I'm gonna want you to rotate. How should this rotate? Yeah, this way, like this, onto your face. What are these values here? Try and get X to 180. Okay. And then just move you over. Whoa. Put that back. Down. And am I gonna have to do this? Oh, I'm gonna have to do this 19 times. Already feeling tired. Why is this weird? Oh, okay. This gizmo is not very helpful right now. What are you on? Local? No, go back to. Why did you go away from global? Okay, just put you in the corner. Not much space actually on this cutting board. And it has to be the fruit that you're cutting, or the piece that you're cutting has to be in the middle. So maybe just like that. It's still on the cutting board. Yeah, that's fine. Slightly uneven this. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that angle. That's not preferred, but fine. I'm not going in and changing the model now. Maybe I should. It is a bit rough. I did make these cuts, by the way. Seems when you'd think cutting a sphere would be easy, but it apparently isn't. Okay, staying hydrated. Okay, but I think that's fine. This guy needs to now rotate. Let's just see what's happening here. Move this to here. Okay, so 30 frames, move, then move and rotate. Yep, that's what I want. And then from 50, I want. I want this guy here to now rotate. How? Let's just see where the cuts are. Okay, cuts are going this way. So we're gonna want to again stop that. That's the problem with recording. If you try and deactivate something here, then it will actually record it in the animation. So be careful with that. Okay, rotate this guy. Because it's uneven, I can't get it. Actually, that's not too bad. Okay, and then down. Don't want it to be in the cutting board. I think that's fine now. Is it fine? How did I say we're cutting this thing? Like this. Or like this. Oh wait, it's a sphere, so I guess. I'm just gonna rotate it because I think it's like this. Wait, it's hard to tell. And these values are not helping me at all. Think like this. Oh yeah, there we go. See this thing over here? That tells me. Okay. I think we are good. think it's the first animation done. I just need to move this to here, maybe. Okay, let's review. Let's see what's happening here. I think this maybe can go here. No, I don't want it to like slip into each other. So I think this is fine. That's done. Now we're gonna open our animator, transition. Wait, stop the recording, please. Mute this. Okay, then need to open Visual Studio so we can sort out that. Okay, that's gonna take a little bit to load. Eesh. You know, normally a streamer would open their apps before the stream starts. Not this guy. Not this guy. But we need to get it open in Visual Studio so we can. The script needs to play the animations. Okay, so that's while that's loading. There's one more thing I need to do here. Go here. I need to make sure it doesn't loop. Cool. Right, this is ready. Just need to go in and test afterwards once Visual Studio stops having a panic attack. Oh boy, why am I so thirsty? Are you done, Visual Studio? Yeah, it's done. Let me switch you guys over. So you can see what's going on. Oh my god, I changed the sensitivity on my mouse. Let's not do that. Okay, Visual Studio is not showing, which is lovely. There we go. Nice fade. Right here is where we need to add animations. Switch cuts left. We're gonna start with 19, I think. You know, we can actually replace. Oh no, never mind. I was gonna replace this with the constant variable that we have up here, but nah. So cuts left. Start with case 90. Actually, the AI original was this is not AI. This is autocomplete. Okay. I think this AI is a bit generous, maybe. Although I don't know. Anyway, the autocomplete it knows what it's doing, but always double check it. Because sometimes they can make mistakes. Why is my mouse stuck in a hand? There we go. Cancel loop, cancel loop, cancel loop. Yes, and then comment this out. There we go. Okay, and then as we go, we'll uncomment it. Okay, switch over to Unity. I think we can try this out now. Yeah, I think it should be fine. Let's see if it works. I think I need to get up earlier from now on to do these streams. Because I need to start at 9, but the thumbnail needs to be made and the stream needs to be set up in the back. I usually wake up at 7:45, but maybe something like 7:45, just so I can also not have my mornings be so rushed. Okay, cancel loop. Over here, chop. Nice. Okay, first animation works like a charm. Let's go next. So, something I didn't do yesterday that I should have done is now get to the end of this animation, cancel loop, go to the end. All of these guys should start in this position, right? Or like the next half cuts, or like if that makes sense. So I'm gonna kind of not control, shift click all of these. Or how many should I do? I think up to 9 maybe. And move all of it. No, move one half here, and then the other I'll have to move manually because each time it's just a bit to the left. Got my left and right today, looks like. So no, just activate all of them. No, let's do one at a time actually. Okay, now first half, yeah. I can probably just copy paste values here. As long as the origin didn't change in Blender, that should be fine. Although saying that, it doesn't look like it's fine right now. You know why? I think it's because I copied the wrong values. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. I need it from the second half. I have no idea which song got me claimed, by the way, so it's not something you have to worry about for now. I'm not monetizing. You can't. I don't think there's too many problems if the claim just says that you copied the melody or lyrics, so it's fine. My channel does not get smited. No, not my channel. That's kind of our channel, but yeah. What have I done? Did I copy the wrong values again? What am I doing? Sorry, I really like the first half. It's apparently. What is happening? Yeah, this is right. I think position's right, rotation's wrong. I'm gonna do the rotation manually. Actually, the position is kind of wrong as well. Okay, copy pasting values did not work. I think, yeah, it's because the animation, I don't know. But once I get this one right, then I can copy paste. Okay, almost got it. I think it needs to be rotated. Oh, I can use this little, whatever this is, this little knob. Stem, that's where the stem of the fruit was. To get the rotation right. I just need to make the stems touch. Is that the same, or is that like the... Oh, there's two stems. Wait, why? Maybe that's just how it looks. A cantaloupe, I mean. Okay, I think that's right now. Now you can move it into the right spot. Whoa! Let's not do that. Yes? No? No, I don't think... Bruh. Oh, that was just a 360. Okay. This is not the right rotation. Something like that. There we go. Now you can move it. Oh, still off. This is why I don't like animations. I know there's a better way to do it, but I don't know the better way. I think that's fine. Why does that still look wrong? Oh, because it's two different... No, it's not two different halves. What am I moving? It should be the same half. It is, look, this texture is the same. I just need to move it down. What the? Oh boy. Okay, that. Maybe I had it right in the first place. I don't know. Could be the case where I just have the wrong fruits here, but I think... Or the wrong half. Half of fruit. What the heck is happening? Do I have the wrong half? Did I put the wrong half down? And... Wow, wait, that looks... No, it's still wrong. Okay, wait, remember I was talking about that angle? Okay, yeah, this is the right rotation now, because we got that angle. I'm pretty sure. No, wait, no. Give me a second here. There's a lot of shouting going on outside my door. I don't know what's happening. I'm starting to feel like this is just the wrong side of the fruit. But that's right, isn't it? Yeah, I think I put the wrong half here. Okay. Just hold Control Z. Cool. You go back to animations. Go here. Just delete everything, I think. And try this again. So which side of the fruit starts getting cut? This side. So I want, so it was right then. Because I want this side to be... Why does it look different? They should be right on top of each other. Let's see something. Dun dun. I'm gonna get brain aneurysm. Just gonna check this code real quick. Okay, while my phone is doing what it needs to do. Okay. Check what I need to check. I'm all of a sudden feeling very tired because of this. I'm staring at a freaking fruit. Hang on. Putting something warm on. It's a bit cold this morning. Dun, dun, dun. That's better. Let's just go. Let's stop second guessing and just go for it now. Gonna deactivate this. Oh wait, no. Now record. So I can't redo changes because I already did stuff. So I'm gonna do this again. Get the first second up. Okay. Remember what we said we want to do first? We want to first move this a bit. Then go to 75. There we go. Let's try some different music. Something a bit more recent. The less chance of getting claimed. Is lo-fi girl, is that copyright? I'm pretty sure it is. Yes, I don't see any indication that it isn't, so... How about... Yeah, let's try this. What we got here? No copyright music. Playlist, oh! No wait, mixes a playlist that YouTube makes for you. I don't want this to be a mix. Can I, like, exit the mix? Oh no. I don't like that. Sometimes when you click on music, YouTube just pops you into a mix. So I'm just gonna loop this. This is all no copyright. Okay, cool. I think what I have on now is fine. Let's try this. Okay. Okay. I'm starting to realize I don't think I need to talk all the time. Maybe this is more of a chill stream. I'm used to having to talk all the time when I'm like gaming or whatever. For streaming, I mean, I don't talk normally that much when I'm gaming. I do talk sometimes though to myself, which might be a bit weird, but it's fine. Huh? Oh. Okay, I think I've redone the first animation now. So now let's move on to the second. I'm not gonna check it. Not right now. Okay, let's try this again, shall we? Without losing my head. Okay, records off. Sorry, I was just checking the comments on this lo-fi video. It'd be good. I didn't even think about ads. I haven't gotten any ads. Let's check. Yeah, this guy is monetized, probably, so I don't know, let's see. I'm not gonna have to get YouTube Premium. Answer is no, I'm not doing that. I use YouTube all the time and I don't even have YouTube Premium for myself. It's just not necessary. It's an interesting song, not gonna lie. That's not right at all. Maybe do this. This guy is in the cutting board. I think what I had to do last time is just rotate it this way. Problem solved. Oh my god, it was that easy. Oh, I feel stupid now. Slightly off. But I think it's fine. Wait. Let's try copy pasting values again. If I get the oh hi Megatulix, sorry I wasn't looking. Chat, stream been almost 50 minutes and it's first time I see it since P. Oh, I don't know what to say about that, honestly. Yeah, YouTube, I mean, I feel like it's a known thing at this point that YouTube is a bit funky when it comes to pushing streams of videos to subscribers, but it's fine, thanks. I'm glad you're here. Glad you're here. I'm having trouble with this cantaloupe. I've also come to the realization that I probably don't need to talk as much as I did last year. It's fine to just relax, that's not right. That's not supposed to happen. Yes, because I'm copying from the wrong half. I don't know, less talking or more talking? Not sure. Honestly, talking so much is tiring me a little bit, so especially so early in the morning. Did I copy from the wrong thing again? I did. Did I? Let's just see here. Okay, this should excuse me. No, the rotations that doesn't work, but I think this is fine now. I mean, it looks like it's a bit in the cutting mode. See, this, so I shouldn't copy paste them because it's just not right. I don't have to waste my time. Oh boy. Oh, that's pretty spot on though. Not the signal does. Okay. Now I need to get this to match. Okay. There we go. See the little stem thing over. I don't think it's a stem because it doesn't make sense for the stem to be on both sides. But this little bulbous part, I don't know which side is which. Bulbous? I think I got that word from Markiplier. um, Whatever you feel comfortable for you, I guess. I like when a streamer or YouTuber has just great time helping me to concentrate their attention on entertaining. Being natural, in my honest opinion, is good. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Yeah, I think right now I'm feeling like talking a bit less than yesterday. So I guess I'll just do whatever feels right, whatever feels better. Because yesterday, I did notice myself looking at the current viewers, and my energy would pick up when I see that because I'm trying to keep them engaged. But yeah, I think I just won't think about it too much. Okay, is that right? Or do I need to rotate it? Let's see. Actually, it does look like I need to rotate it. See, I think this cantaloupe is actually going to be harder than the peach. Ooh, nice song. Oh, did I get it spot on? I think I did. Yeah, I basically did. It's just this front part that's weird. I think that's because of the piece, the slice. No, slices, yeah. I don't know. But I think I can start animating now for this guy. Touch cantaloupe. 17. Hmm. Okay. So yeah, hide this one. This guy. Leave this guy alone. So it's now it's just gonna be a lot of moving the fruit to the left. So oh, but no. Oh, I've made a mistake again. This whole thing needs to be further to the right because the the slice that you cut needs to be in the middle. So this part here needs to be here. So now I need to do this again. Not everything, but just this animation. Okay, let's see. I think I just need to change. Go to 80. Here, record. I just need to move it. It shouldn't be too much of an issue if I just use the blue. Wrong way I'm moving it. First slice is around here. Okay. For someone who doesn't like making animations, you spend quite a lot of time doing it. I know, that's a problem. At least on the streams. Yeah, yesterday I did a lot. Also for the hand animations, I had to make all of those, which was, as you can imagine, a lot harder because you had so many joints to deal with. So my speciality is programming, but with a team like this, you kind of have to learn multiple different skills. Not You don't have to be great at everything, but you have to kind of know the basics and everything. So I also do work in Blender, like just basic stuff. I actually think this river I sorted out. I think I made, yeah, I made the river, but that was easy. That was just 2D. I did mess up this part though. I couldn't figure out how to properly do it over here because these are two different models, if you can see. So I just made this since I didn't know where the original model was. So yeah, it needs to actually be edited a little bit because this are like, oh no, this is fine. The rock needs to be moved down. But yeah, what else do I sometimes have to do? I avoid 2D texturing like a plague. I can't do that. um, I do. Oh my god, I keep pressing the Windows button. I do 2D art for my own projects. Um, I have my own project that I'm also working on, although this is my focus right now. What else? But yeah, kind of have to get a grip for everything. But now we have a lot more people. Not a lot more, but we have like 9 or 10 people, and yeah, so it's a bit easier to like delegate tasks to everyone. But Miki and I want to say we are the most active on development. But the other guys put in a lot of work as well behind the scenes. I think I need to decrease the music a little bit. It's 24 decibels right now. Okay, let me know audio levels as well. If you can. Okay, let's go back here. This is the recording. This was dangerous. Audio is good, thank you. Yeah, I did notice yesterday that my mic seems to be like going up and down with audio, so I'm gonna try and find a better mic. I think this is fine. I can move this already. So in this recording, now this needs to match once again. This should be easy because I only use blue. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I think we can go ahead and test this out now. Whoa, what happened here? Oh, that's fine. Is it? Yeah, it's fine because I clicked out of the animation. Okay, deactivate. Let's see. Everything's already set up in the script. Okay, that's fine. That's fine, but the counter loop's in the wrong place. It needs to be a lot. Not. It needs to be. Mike is weirdly weak. I'm not an English speaker, so it is sometimes hard to understand some of the words. Just assuming the rest. Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah, yesterday. Um, I could. When I go on break, I will. I make that sound like I have a job. Um, or like that this is a job. But when I have a break, I'm gonna go look for another mic. I do think I have a headset mic. Um, the one attached to the headphones. Right now, what I'm using is earbud. For some reason, this earbud has a microphone. I mean, I'm not complaining, but yeah, probably not the best. It's also like 800 rands, which is about, I want to say, 45-ish dollars. So yeah, not the best. Okay, so 18. Have you tried NVIDIA Broadcast? I have not heard of that, no. I can do a quick search. Let's see. NVIDIA Broadcast. Broadcase. Wow, good. Nice typing. Free AI-powered application. Uses the turns any room into a home studio. Okay. Removes background noise. Studio voice. Okay, I see. It says for RTX users though. I have a GTX at the moment. I won't be able to use it, but it does seem pretty cool. And I wanted to upgrade my system. I was looking into it, but RAM prices, so I couldn't. You can clean enhance audio from mic using AI or something. Yeah, that's what I'm reading. But I won't be able to use it right now. But I do plan to get a better mic at some point. Thanks for that. I'll actually, if I get an RTX at some point, I will. It sounds like something I would use. So thank you. Yes, activate this again. Record. And then I need to move. Oh, but now I think it's gonna. Yeah, it's gonna be in the way. So like here. X. Oh. This guy needs to go more to the edge, which means I need to move. Once again, I need to move Cantaloupe 17. If I just use the arrows, then it shouldn't be too hard. So blue to the right a little bit. Actually, let's just move the blue. Let's make things simple. Okay, stop the recording. Okay, cool. So here, just blue to the right. PC building sucks. RTS is also heavily overpriced. Yeah, that too. It's, I mean, the graphics cards aren't so bad compared to the RAM, but it is still. I don't know, I've had this PC here for a long time, I think. Since I was, I'm gonna say 13, so 5 years now. Well, of these, 5 to 6. So I'm needing a new system. Yeah. Yeah, but with RAM prices being what it is, I just can't right now. Okay, so I think that's fine. Why does this look like that? What? Oh no, what's happening? Why is this floating? Oh, because I didn't push it to 80. Okay, that makes sense. Wait, undo all of that. Okay, now it should be fine. I think this Antelope's still in the way? Hello? A little bit, yeah. Um, shouldn't be too bad. I think I can probably leave it at that though. Okay, then this is gonna move to the left with each cut. Okay, I think now it's done. Now let's try it. Save. I already did. I did forget to deactivate though. There we go. One cut and oh, does it need? I think it needs to go to the right even more. Oh, this is challenging. I should have like markers or something that tells me where the knife cuts. I can just place it on. You know what? Maybe I should do something like that. But for that, I have to. No, I don't need to change textures. Hang on, I have an idea. Move this here. Oh, forget about that for now. I need the hand. I need you. Get rid of the cantaloupe. Cut. Right there. Oh, but I can't see where the knife actually shouldn't be a problem. Let's add a 3 cube. That's a big cube, wow. Make it small. Okay, just obviously you won't see this in game, but just as a marker, so I can see where the knife cuts. Okay, so now go back to here, cut, and all I need to do is make it in line with the finger. Oh, but every time I click out, it's gonna. I see how it is. Let's try this. Put the cube as a thing of the rest. Oh no, but then once I move the cube, yeah, okay, that doesn't work. Okay, but now I can. Oh no, it still doesn't work. How about if I move this out of the mini game? Okay, click here. No, okay. I don't have a choice. I'm just gonna have to eyeball it. Where's this thing? Why did it do that? Wait. I feel like I messed something up. It shouldn't be this hard to just place a cube in the right spot. No, wait, wrong thing. I need to click here. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark the spot on my PC, on my monitor. How should I do that? I have sticky notes. You know me and my sticky notes. That works, I think. Problem is the sticky note ain't sticky. I'm just gonna. Oh, this is such a mission. I'm gonna hold it in place with my left hand, then move the cube with the mouse. There we go. So right there. I don't know anything about making games. Is it really simpler to make animation in Unity, or importing something like Blender would be a huge hassle on its own? So it isn't that you need to worry about. It just depends on what's the most efficient thing to do? So for what I'm doing, it is probably best to do it in Unity. Um, Also something you can do, I'll actually show you um, the actual hand, which I can't click on. Where's the player? So what one will do normally, okay, I can't click the hands for some reason, so I'm just gonna have to go, yeah, and then wrist. So what one will do, these hands are made in Blender, right? In Blender, you will give the hand bones, or you'll give your model bones. So here are all the bones, index, 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 and then you can move all of these here in Unity. And that's how you make animations. So for some cases, you're gonna want to do that. You make the model in Blender with all the bones, import it to Unity, then animate. But for certain things like probably, I'm trying to think, because when you just have bones, when something just uses bones, even character models, then yes, Unity is probably better to do the animations in. Because the reason for that is also you can rotate the bones with code as well. So not just talking about characters anymore. I'm trying to think for cases where Blender you're gonna want to do the animations in. Mm, I don't think for game development. Let's actually do a search. It's a good question.